It's a really cute what you call this bird. But it's kinda has a pine cone look into it. So I just like I collect like little things that um I don't know. I got it for $1.49 at Seavers, and you get like a pine cone. See, it's kind of nice. The head has the pine cone thing, and there's like a. It's not really wood. I think it's kind of like a plastic material, but hard. Or I don't know if this is a clay or something. There's like a little shoes. There's like a little shoes right here. So it's just like a leash or something. And it's kind of cute. Anyway, let's get to my bag. See you later. See you later. You can sit right here by the bag. And the feet is kinda has a it's kinda cute, the shoes.